We'll guide you through how to restore a WhatsApp backup from iCloud. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to do for whatever reason. First of all, you can go and check when your last backup was. In WhatsApp, go to the bottom right and click on Settings. Scroll down and go and click on Chats, and you can then go and click on Chat Backup. At the top here, you can go and see when the last backup was. And so what we can do is go and restore to that. Just remember, when we go and restore to it, you're going to lose all the messages and everything which has happened since that day and now. If that's fine with you, then let's do this. You need to come out of WhatsApp and you need to go and uninstall it. So find it, click and hold your finger on it and click on Remove App, click on Delete App, and that's it. Then what you need to do is go and open up the App Store. We can click on Search and go and download WhatsApp again. When it's downloaded, click on Open and we can start the process of setting it up again. You'll need to enter in your phone number, and then during the setup process, it'll go and say restore from iCloud. We can go and restore that last backup we did. And so what we can then do is click on restore to confirm our decision, and it will go and start. You can go and see 240 messages were restored. I can click on next and continue with the setup. And that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.